Welcome to DelphStack. In this tutorial, we will guide you through changing the date and time settings in Ubuntu. Whether you are a beginner or an intermediate user, this step-by-step guide will help you manage your system's time settings effectively. Now click on Settings. Next, navigate to System, Date and Time. Here you can enable automatic time zone, which is automatically update your date, time, and time. Alternatively, you can set them manually if you prepare. Today we have explored how to change and manage date and time settings in Ubuntu. For more tutorials, like and subscribe to DelphStack.